Oh. Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Skeeter restoration videos. I know I haven't had a proper introduction for any of those. However, we are on a big step today. What I have decided to do is I was scrolling through Facebook Marketplace, my absolute favorite part of Facebook, even though everything else on it is less to my liking. We have found somebody that's willing to trade their 70 horsepower Mercury for my 50 horsepower Mercury. Is right, that thing right there is going to be going to a new home sometime soon. And the guy said he was 30 minutes out, but what we need to do is start getting everything unplugged and unhooked and unbolted for him. So it's just an easy transfer over. So let's get to it. What I found out I need to do is I need to take that bolt off and that bolt off right there from the inside of there. So everything else is just an easy 1-2 removal. She's a little dusty. She's been in the barn. I haven't really been out on the water recently. Plus the registration is expired. So like, there's not much I can do with an expired, but I mean, I can take it out in the water, but then if I get pulled over, that won't be good. As usual, I have to climb inside, get inside the battery compartment, which is where all the bolts are, and hope I don't break anything. Pretty sure this is a 1/2 inch bolt or 1/2 inch nut back there, but I could be wrong. I'm usually wrong. Oh, it's a little bit bigger than a 1/2. I think it's 2 sizes bigger. It'll be a 9/16. Reach in there and find out. 9/16. I wish I could like reach in here and set you guys up so you can see. I just feel like it might be too far. Are we having issues? Yeah. Go ahead and do what?
Twist it back. We're going to see if it'll come back. Yep, there it goes. Beautiful. This will be the best one I've ever done yet.
Well, I've tried to take care of this thing.
This will be awesome. Do you have any towels? Paper towel? Hey, I didn't see that dent when you left. Did you see that dent when she left? I didn't see that dent. Yeah, you see that dent? Yeah, I seen it.
Okay. Just as long as you didn't give her like a full order of beans.
I had to guess that cable's probably up tight against that outside wall.
More than likely.
You're all right. I'm going to go ahead and get it slid a little bit.
Yeah, go for it. And you just tell me what you need. Whee! Steering wheel's just going.
I was hoping it was actually this sliding out, not the steering cable. Damn it. You want to just twist it for me? Yeah, there we go. That'll help. That's good right there. Oh my gosh. You want to give it a whirl?
Sure. I want to break your screwdriver though.
Yeah, that's a 97-cent screwdriver. That's what I buy them for.
Okay. Which way do I need to turn it?
You're just going to try to push it.
Oh, push it.
Yeah, you're going to try to push it out. I don't have enough ass.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we're going to have to beat it. Beat it like it owes us money. With that being said, we're going to want to bring it back over this way.
Right.
So that when we have to hit it, we're not hitting the boat. I hit my boat a few times. I didn't hurt it.
I don't really want to hurt my boat. I trust you.
I haven't messed up one yet. At least not that I couldn't fix.
You want me to hit the steering wheel a little bit? Because I can definitely see it.
We're starting to come out.
You want me to pull it?
You can give it, yeah, we can go ahead and try it.
MTCP!
That's gotta be a standard issue.
She being cuffy.
What size does that look like to you?